Hello everyone, I'm Sandra again. In this video I will show you some basic techniques for twisting, okay? The first thing you will learn today is how to inflate and tie the 260 balloon. It's simple, everybody think they know, but there is a little tips you have to pay attention to have a nice finish, okay? Here I'm not gonna put the balloon just here in the tip. Look, I want the balloon to fit until to the end like this. Okay, not in the tip, until to the end. Now I'm gonna hold here, okay? Not here, here, because I have to leave the space to be free for the air go smoothie, okay? Now I hold here and I hold there. Okay, and then I start to pump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pumps, and then I take it out. I hold here, take it out. Okay, and now, see, in that way I'm gonna have a long neck with no problem. I use my 3 fingers to tie. Okay, I take, see, I take here, stretch the neck of the balloon, go around my 2 fingers, and pass through here, okay? When I pass through here, I move my 2 fingers, see? I try to show you. The video is a little more tricky. I move my 2 fingers and pull a little bit. In that way, I'm gonna create the long neck with no problem. Now, I show you the basic things you need to know, like a bubble. When you're talking about a bubble, this is a bubble, okay? Can be 2 fingers bubble, 1 fingers bubble, 3 finger bubble, 4 fingers bubble, okay? This bubble here, I squeeze like here and twist it. It's important when you twist for the same direction all the time. Now, if I let this go, see, the bubble not gonna stay, then I have to hold the bubble. Then it's important you use your right and left hands like a team, okay? I squeeze, twist. Now, see, I use my fingers on my left hand here to hold it, my first bubble. Now my second bubble, I want a 2 fingers bubble, and here, squeeze and twist, see? I will try to make same size as possible, and I keep it holding here. See, I squeeze and twist. That's my third bubble. See, I cannot let the first bubble go, because if I do that, there I'm gonna missing the bubbles. Now it's easy. See, my 4th, my 5th, my 7, my 8, my 9. I'm twisting for same direction all the time. And I twist 10 times, see? Squeeze, twist, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. In that way, I'm gonna create my chain with little bubbles, okay? But that is a little trick, because if I let go my first bubble, I'm not holding here, all the bubbles will disappear, okay? And then it's important, when you think you have enough length you want with your bubbles, what you need to do, okay? You can keep on doing bubbles until the balloon ends, see? Also, I like to squeeze the air through the app to make my little bubble firm, not mushy. I don't want mushy bubbles, I want the firm bubbles, okay? Okay? One more. And then my last one. then what I'm gonna do, and I still hold my first and my last bubble. If I do that, the bubbles that in the middle not go anywhere, they stay here. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this piece here, the end of this bubble, and tie here. Very careful, see? Go around. I'm gonna deflate that balloon. I don't have the scissor here, and then, oops, that pops. That's not supposed to, but I will try to tie with the little piece I have here. And go around and tie, see? That to prevent not missing. I'm missing already my bubble, but not a problem. Now I have more room to tie. Go around like this and tie. See? Now when I tie, I create already, I lock all the bubbles together. See? All the bubbles are locked together. And then you can create bracelets, you can put it like on a hat, you can use in your centerpiece, however you want. But imagine you want to create a bracelet, and then better we pinch twist. Like, see, I have here this bubble, and then I fold it and pinch twist. You can cut the excess, okay? To be sure that you're gonna be high. Okay, I'm gonna skip one bubble, and then the second bubble, I'm gonna fold like this, pull a little bit, and twist it. Twisting 7 times. Then you have pinch twist, bubble, pinch twist. Next bubble, I'm gonna skip that bubble and pinch twist the next one. Folder, pinch twist. Okay. Now, skip another bubble and pinch twist the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip one bubble and pinch twist the another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip one bubble and pinch twist the another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip that bubble and pinch twist the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times I need to twisting? You will feel when they getting hotter, it's time to stop. Some I'm twisting 7 times, some I twist them 4 or 5 times. Depend how harder being the pinch twist when I twisting them. Okay, like a screw, when you start to make pressure on the screw, you know when it's time to stop. It works the same. See, skip this one, then pinch twist this, folder, see, and then pull a little bit, hold the 2, and pinch twist. 1, 4, 5. Now this one, skip it, pinch twist the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip that one and pinch twist that one. See, I have already the pinch twist. You can count. If you want, you can count like how many bubbles that you put in. Bubble, pinch twist. In this case, I didn't count because I just want to show you the technique. In that way, I can organize all the same direction, for example. Okay? And then I will create a beautiful circle. For example, if you don't wanna that extra, we can pop you one if you want. It's depend what you wanna create. But in that case, I'm not gonna pop it. Just show you that we can create a nice circle that we can pinch twist one more. Let's take it off the one. Okay, see? And then you have a beautiful bracelet. See? Look my bracelet. then it's amazing for kids party if you want. And also you can use that as a middle for flower and add the petals on the pinch twist. That technique is very popular. You will see that technique in many different designs. And then practice yourself, make bubbles, then make bubbles and pinch twist for you get mastering to put it together other designs. Okay, I hope you like it, and see, you know, you want to see your pictures. Okay, send to me your practicing pictures or videos that I want to evaluate how you're doing. Thank you for watching.